You have heard a lot about this thing called the funnel, the marketing funnel. What the hell is it and why do you care? More importantly, remember, Blown on Business, I'm here like you're waking up in the morning with me because you got to cut through the noise. How does this impact your business? Well, if it's done wrong, it won't. So let's get into how the marketing funnel can work effectively in your business. Very, very simply. I need you to be able to execute this in your business. I need that marketing funnel feeding the sales pipeline so that you can make more money. Hey, Rich Laster, Blown on Business, and my job here is to cut through the noise. You've heard a lot about marketing funnels, and marketing funnels can serve a positive function in your business if they are simply engineered and work well with your sales team, your sales operation. So what is a marketing funnel? A marketing funnel moves people from the world into people who are your people. All right. We are refining the market at large down to marketing qualified leads for your business. All right. If you're not selling ice cream, you don't give a damn what their favorite flavor is. But if you are selling ice cream, we're going to use that as an example this morning. If you're selling ice cream, your message to the world is everything ice cream. Everything that sets your business apart from every competitor. Why? Because the top of the marketing funnel, write this down or come back and listen to this later. The top of the marketing funnel is where you educate the market, not just about what you do, because you're not selling. I don't need marketing selling. I need marketing educating. I need marketing engaging. So one, educate. What is so special about your ice cream? Everything around the value proposition, and we'll cover that in a later podcast. Everything about the value proposition of your ice cream is what you need to educate them on. Why all natural ingredients make Haagen-Dazs so much more delicious than everything else. I don't care how much sugar they add. Give me Haagen-Dazs. Give me the ice cream with less than 10 ingredients. Why does that matter? It doesn't. Unless I'm your buyer. Unless I'm your customer. What you have to say means nothing. And if I'm not your customer, you don't care what I want to hear. Remember, you're educating the marketplace on who you are, why you're amazing, the value that you bring to bear, right? So step one is educate. Step two is engage. If you're doing a good job of letting people know everything about the ecosystem around the value you deliver, there are going to be people that comment. Make sure you respond. There are going to be people with questions. Make sure you have answers, or say, I don't know the answer. I will have the answer for you in 48 hours. And you have 48 hours to get back to them with the answer. Engage. Engaging isn't about selling. One more time, I don't need marketing. Selling. You educated, now you are engaging. This is the middle of the marketing funnel. You're engaging, you're answering their questions, you're conversing with them about what their pain point is. You're noting this in whatever system, CRM, that you keep notes on the people you interact with, CRM. All right. And you're doing this like your company does this. Your company should be of a culture where how you add value is at the heart of every sale, of every marketing. I want how you add value at the heart of fulfillment, because how you add value is all that the world cares about. So after you've educated, that's your loudspeaker out into the market. Hey, we're here. This is the market. This is what we do. This is why we're great. Yay. Yay. People are going to respond to that. Who? People. What people? Well, the people who are going to respond to that are possibly your buyer, your client, your customer. Help them, touch them, feed them, nurture them, nourish them. Engage. When you engage, man, you are Mother Teresa. You want to help everyone you touch because you are reactionary. Educating is proactive. Engaging is you are reacting to them commenting, to them clicking, to them taking some action in the customer journey that lets them know that they are a step closer to being a customer of yours. Your job is to love on them. They are the first interaction with the company. Yes. You yelling at them, you educating the market is not an interaction. It's not bi-directional. This is your first opportunity to interact with them. Your job is to help. What you're hoping for, what you're waiting for is that comment or that question that reveals they are at the bottom. They are at the third stage of the marketing funnel. They are ready to evaluate. They're not just out talky, looky. No, they're ready to rock and roll. And given what they've heard from your company, how they've engaged with your company, you just might be it. This is where you get out of the way. Marketing's job is done. There is now something that happens that is magical. They transition from the marketing funnel to the sales pipeline, which starts with discovery. I need to talk to you. I need to ask questions. And I'm going to do a lot of listening to discover if we are a good fit as a solution to the challenge you're facing, to what you need, what you want. What are the influencers on this buying decision? Are you the decision maker? Can we get on the call with them as well? Why? Because my job as the salesperson, you haven't come through the marketing funnel. My job is to make sure that every stakeholder tied to the decision to buy is touched. I need to know all objections. I need to know every facet of the problem so that I know how to holistically solve it. So discovery starts with that first call. Okay, there is a problem. We are the solution. But discovery can take on a life of its own depending on the size of the organization that you're selling into. Don't worry about this. You're not in a rush. If you're just starting out this company and you're at the end of your cash runway, get a night job at Amazon. I don't care where. Keep the lights on. Continue to catch your breath and breathe, because you cannot rush into relationship. Discovery is about discerning and confirming that there is fit. There is fit between what you offer and what they need, what they desire, what they want. Once discovery has taken place, which is step one of the sales pipeline, now we're going to do something a lot different. Now you're getting a gem from Grow Expand, my company, which is you're having a collaborative meeting with the decision maker and everyone directly tied to that decision. You're going to collaboratively produce the proposal. You're not going to take notes from discovery and put something together and hope it's a fit. No, you're going to set another meeting. You're going to dig into every part of the solution, every objective. What are the expectations? What can you do? What will you do? Are they okay with that? What do they understand that to be? I mean, this is an hour and a half meeting where you are going to clarify how you're going to help them, how you're going to solve their problem, fulfill their need, answer their want. And you're going to document this with them right then and there in the meeting. You're writing the proposal together. And in 24 hours after that meeting, you're sending it to them for signature and initiation of the relationship. I just made your entire sales process smaller, shorter, sweeter. What did I really do? I made it more focused. All that old school salesy crap, I want you to flush it. We're cutting through the noise. You're focused on how you can help. If you're really focused on how you can help, then you're not selling at all. You're delivering value. You're working together to discern, discover, and commit to how that value is going to be delivered. What those KPIs are that you both will be holding each other accountable to, and what's the next step in the process? What's the next level? Listen, I don't know if you understand just how simple sales and marketing can be and should be in your business, but I know that you're here. You're tuned into Blunt on Business for a reason, and that's because you really don't have time for the bull, for the boo, for the funky, the stinky, the poo. You don't have time. You need to cut through the noise, and you need to get to solution. I appreciate time with you. I always appreciate time with you, though. Jump in the comments, jump in our social media. Let me know how I can be of better help to you. And don't forget, while these podcasts is me talking to you about things that we've heard from the comments, from questions that you want covered, every Wednesday at noon on YouTube, you can ask your questions live and get immediate answers. That's what Blunt on Business is really about. We're cutting through the noise and getting you answers to the challenges you're facing, right? We want to be part of the solution. Or I can just be quiet and working for a client somewhere else. While I'm here, while I'm with you, let's have an impact. Please tell a friend, like, share, subscribe. Come back. We can't, look, I want to help you, which means I need you here. And tell a friend. They don't really have a clear idea of what marketing and sales is, how to deploy it, but they know what they do and they know they do it well. You're the kind of founder I love helping. Thank you.